Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? Mike Zuber, one rental at a time, and I'm thinking about what can I do more to help you on your real estate investing journey. And one idea I've come up with is what if we did a live real estate meetup kind of event? What I'm thinking is we already do a live Q&A session on Saturdays at 8. What if we did a real estate meetup where I created a presentation based on topics you gave me? So if you're interested in this idea, right, I am thinking, Wednesday at 5 p.m., Wednesday at 6 p.m., Tuesday at noon. I'm not sure when we would do this, and I'm open to doing them when you suggest. So let me know what time during the week would be interesting. I am thinking about collecting topics from you. I've been invited to speak at many real estate meetups, and I have another one coming up this Thursday. But that got me thinking, why don't I ask my YouTube audience and subscribers, what would you like to attend? I've been investing in real estate for 20 years. I've learned a market I've never lived in. I've bought houses. I've bought duplexes, quads. I've bought small apartment buildings. I've sold, I've done 1031 exchanges, I've had evictions, I've had fires. I have seen it all, or at least most, in the real estate investing landscape. I am certainly a buy and hold investor. I did start flipping properties after I retired financially independent. But I'm wondering, what would you like to hear about? Seriously, what topics would you attend a session? My idea is to do them live if I could figure out how to share PowerPoint inside of YouTube. But worst case, I will create the presentation, record it here for you, and put it out there. So if you have an idea for a topic that I could cover for you, leave a comment below. I'm looking to help. I'm looking to help people move forward. I do believe financial independence starts with a better financial future. I believe 4 rentals is a great goal. There's lots of things we could talk about, but what would you like to hear? Let me know. Leave a comment below. I'm here for you. It'd be interesting to see what people have to say. All right, everybody. Take care. Have a wonderful day.